Greetings and welcome to this emergency episode of the Airport Communities Podcast. My name is J.C. Harris and I am your host today. Trying something a little different. We're going vertical. You know, the kids all like that TikTok and whatever. There is this actually two airport bills in the state legislature right now. It's a short session. This is the year of the SAMP, and so the stakes are high, and both bills are very complex. We've gotten a bunch of questions. We are submitting more than one set of suggestions, essentially cutting it down. I'm just going to read through what the team came up with. Because the bill is complex, we've divided our comments into separate memos. This one concerning port packages. ST&I, we think it's fair to say, is the representative of people with port package issues. Since 2017, over 1,300 homeowners have signed up, and we have conducted 350 on-site visits. We've been struck by the absence of firsthand expertise and experience in formulating the policy portion of the bill, and we urge you to listen to the people who have been complaining and working on these issues since 1998. Those are the people we have relied on. Our changes follow several basic precepts. One, given the costs and the complexity of sound insulation, there can never be an adequate system of evaluating worthiness. Lord knows we tried. The port's own SIRRPP, Sound Insulation Repair Replacement Pilot Program, I'm amazed I got that right, is exactly what happens when one tries to do that. There will be a strong urge to develop a better system, and we would encourage you to avoid that discussion entirely. For example, the section of the bill mentioning auditing previous programs as one of the tools is simply an invitation to even more unnecessary delay and friction at a time when we need cooperation. Every year of delay has put more of the precious middle housing stock, the backbone of airport communities, at risk. Every home that is removed or replaced with less than optimal equipment means lower property values, poor health outcomes. Prompt action is essential. Through decades of mistakes and painful lessons, today the industry, and especially the Port of Seattle, knows how to do these systems properly and far more cost-effectively than individual residents. Every home they improve protects the individuals in terms of public health and strengthens their community. Sound insulation, including proper air filtering, which was part of the 1982 original proposal, by the way, should be a basic right. It is the seat belts that should be standard equipment, not optional. The most equitable solution is simplicity. The port shall, not may, shall spend a certain percentage of revenues generated by this legislation towards port package updates, starting now and every year thereafter. Qualification should require no more than a 15-minute site inspection, followed by a first-come, first-served service program. In essence, an improved version of the San Francisco International model. We've heard a number of indifferent and even disparaging comments about that program from people with, frankly, no personal experience. Again, based on discussions with the people who developed that program, firsthand observation, and on-site research, we have realized that it is the approach that makes sense if one believes in sound insulation and protection of our communities as basic rights. All that is needed is money, which this bill provides, and a mandate to spend it on doing the work. An audit in 2 years is a great idea to track how much work is getting done, starting on day one. We can assure you that our members strongly support this approach. They understand the challenges and are willing to be patient with the assurance that over time, their home and its occupant will be given best-in-class protection, not maybe.